Hi everybody, it's Kristi again. I wanted to show you another journal that I just finished. But first I wanted to say hi and welcome to all my new subbies that I got, all my friends from Junk Journal Junkies. Thanks for subscribing. So, okay, this journal, this is another envelope cover, the 9x12 envelope that I've just decoupaged with some paper. This kit that I'm using is from Digi Doodads on Etsy, and it's called Virginia Yellow Rose. And yeah, I just used the paper from the kit. I enlarged it and covered the front and the back. I've just used a piece of lace for a closure. I've got some music paper, some cheesecloth. This is a journal card that I used for the cover, a little bit of bling, some more lace down the edge, and yeah, this was a real pretty kit. I used this this little, what do you call it, scalloped piece for a belly band. Sticks, made some tags here. I did glue along the bottom so they don't go all the way through. I didn't want them falling out. And then this is a piece of the designer paper. It came with pockets, postcard, little tag. It's so cute. Just some eyelash trim. That's all I got into here too, is some eyelash trim under the little love circle that came with the kit. I put some lace under the belly band. There's another journal card and a little journal booklet. Some school paper, that's what we call it. Love this page, so pretty. And I just used this and clipped it in with a paper clip. This is one of the envelopes that came with the kit, and a piece of ephemera. Added a little bling here and there, not too much. Music paper, another page from the kit. Here's another one of those flip overs from, well, I saw it at Roxy Creation, but I think it's Lori Girl on a Ridge. A little journal card. This is just a little ticket from the kit. This is coffee dyed paper, and a little word from the kit with a button and some flax ribbon, lace, string. And then I decorated the backside again with a piece of extra music paper I had, some burlap, and a little scrap of lace. And yeah, this is some paper that I had in my stash from, I'm not sure where it came from. This is with the kit, just some coffee dyed paper, little tuck spot, and some more tags. Gotta love the eyelash trim. Little piece of ephemera. And here's another one of those little edged, I'm totally a lack for words here. I want to say banner. It's not a banner. You know what it is. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, and then a doily, and then we're to the center here with some roses, some crochet trim on the 3x5. Oh, they're not 3x5. I think they're 4x6 index cards. Piece of lace in the tie. I saw Gail Agostinelli do that. I thought it was so cute. Talks about rose beds on the back of this. Another doily, and a tuck spot at the top. some cards from the kit. This is a corner flip. And a piece of my dictionary page. That's a pretty page too. Anything with music on it I'm partial to. Little postcard, some more tags. Is that a library card? No, it's a sales slip. Tag. Here's another flip over with a journal card. And I just took some scraps and decorated with these, so I just like the way it turned out. Music. Another envelope with the yellow rose, with some cheesecloth. Another tuck spot on the back. These are from the kit. And another belly band with some journal cards, little booklet, a couple more tags. These are from the kit. Little Believe. I love these. These are so cool. And in the back, again, the same. Made this into a little belly band. I took this and just put one of the other circles with some eyelash trim and the word thankful. And another tag. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed seeing that. I loved making it. I'm really enjoying making these junk journals. They're very addicting. If you have any questions, just drop me a note below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.